How to switch to a real account in Expert option. Are you trading on Expert option but still using a demo account? If yes, then follow these steps to take your trading to the next level, switching to a real account. First of all, launch open the Expert option app on your device and log in with your registered account credentials. Once logged in from the home page, go ahead and tap on this balance button at the top left, which shows you demo balance. After you click on that, you'll see the accounts tab. To switch to a real account, tap the real account option, and now you'll be able to switch to a real account on Expert option. Now right after you do that, you'll need to go ahead and enter your payment method, deposit your first amount and complete the payment. Now after you have switched to a real account, you'll be able to see real balance at the top of the screen. Demo accounts are perfect for practice, but only real accounts let you earn real profits. You can now start depositing your fund, choose your preferred payment option, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.